Good morning. I slept in town again last night. There's a construction going on right across the street. They started early this morning. And there's a funky van across the street as well, not far from Brown Park. And then behind them, another minivan, which I'm 100% sure they both live in their vans. So, we have to move. This is a hike I can do every day, every morning. So if I'm around town, I'm gonna try to do it. I'm not gonna film it all the time, but I've never been here before. It's really cool, even though it's limited because they have all this restoration habitat area going on, which is awesome. It is still a pretty good hike, and they have all these points where you can go and check out the sea and people on the sea with their nice boats. And we're going uphill, so hopefully it doesn't get worse than this. Maybe it's not gonna be the hike that I take every day, but you know, I'll take hiking in nature over running, and I'll take running in nature or outside over the gym any day. The gym is the last resort. It's my shower place. I already have 4,100 steps. It's not bad. That was a great hike. Who needs coffee in the morning? Who are we kidding? It's a little past 9 a.m. and this place is packed. I mean the overflow parking lot. It's gonna stay here, but I think it's gonna get busier and busier, which is crazy because it's a Wednesday, no holiday, and it's in the morning. I guess everybody has their own business. Oh, baby. Chocolate, yes. Oh, that is how you do it. Ooh. that was a fun little walk, but it's a little busy here, and I'm not fond of busyness. I go try to find something less busy. I have something in mind. I'll see you there.
Come on, baby, let's go west. Let's go west to the promised land. Take my hand again. Load up the car.
It's you. Good morning. Good to see you.
At the Walmart. Don't think twice this time. You know I'm real fond of Oregon. It would rain outside while I write my songs. It don't rain enough around here, and you know it don't.
That's right. I booked a campsite for tonight with plenty of shade because it's really hot today. I was gonna stay by the beach, but there's so many people. I don't do well with a lot of people. So here we are. I'm not gonna get settled yet because I wanna use the dump station first. Before I left the beach to come over here, I put one of those Drano things. It's the green gobbler. You know what I'm talking about. Down the sink into the gray tank. And it was pretty much half an hour to get here. So the twisty road just splashes around a bit in there. And now I'm going to put a little bit of hot water or boiling water down there and then go to the dump and dump it. And that's how I clean my gray water once in a while. Alright, that's done. Now it's time to go set up camp, which is gonna be super easy because I don't set up that much anymore. But I need to plug in because this campsite that I got has water and electricity. I have had shore power capability for a little bit. You can check that video out somewhere here. But it used to be underneath, so I had to crawl underneath the van, bring the cable underneath, and it was just kind of a pain in the ass. But now I installed that little plug on the side. So much better, so much better. If you are interested in it, I will link it on the bottom so you guys can check it out if you want to install one for yourself. I did do a little research, got a beefier one, so definitely check this one out. But now, because it's so easy and today is really hot, I got really lucky with this campground that has a lot of shade, so I don't have to worry about solar. I just plug in, stay in the shade because it's really hot anywhere I go today outside. But at least we're getting this breeze. Oh, this is amazing right now. You know, my windshield has been cracked for a while. I finally pulled the trigger and got it done because it was cracking more and more, and it looks like a brand new van. We also fixed some of the rust on top. It's not finished 100%, but it is fixed. Not very good at folding these things, that's why I don't make that many. But you know what they say, practice makes perfect. It's summer, it's hot, this is cold. Most of the stuff has been in the fridge, so it should be refreshing. Look at all that goodness with a lot of nutrients. What I like about making a wrap like this, as opposed to just mixing it in a bowl as a salad, is that there's less cleanup. So when you live in a van or in a vehicle, you'll understand.